Hey folks, welcome back to Type R Tweaks. Today we're going to be looking at probably doing the biggest external mod I've done, and probably something I've wanted to do to the car for quite a long time. It's quite an iconic feature of the FN2 Type R, and today we're going to be putting it on the car. So what is that mod, I hear you say? It's 100% genuine. That means it's fake. Mugen, you mean Fugen, rear spoiler. So, here it is. For all you F1 fans out there, yes, it is a bit of a DRS wing. But yeah, it's something I've been wanting to put on the car for a while. Quite like the Seeker wing that I had on it, but I think it was time for a little bit of a change. So we're going to be putting this on the car today. And if anyone is interested, the original OEM part of the wing and the Seeker spoiler is for sale. So hit me up in the comments if you're interested in taking that off my hands for a reasonable price. So let's get after it. So to get the original spoiler off, we've got two 10mm bolts this side, two on that side, and behind this kind of plastic panel where the third brake light is, it pops off. It's got 5 clips on there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts in there as well. So a little trick, if we undo these bolts first, we can then lower the boot lid and then take the external ones off, just so that it doesn't fall onto the car when you release the final bolt. So let's go ahead and do that and see what sort of dirt and grime's under the original spoiler. So you know, if you say something with enough conviction, people are going to believe you. So don't believe a word I just told you earlier, because these two 10mm bolts, it's actually only one 10mm bolt that holds on the spoiler. There's a kind of 8mm bolt here as well at the bottom. It's only the top one that you need to actually remove on both sides. The bolts in the middle, they're still okay, but yeah, it's only one on this side you actually need to take off and on the other. So if you can find a way to sort of latch the boot lid, just so it's in a kind of reasonable position where you can still get access to the bolts, but the boot's not high enough where when you take this off, it's going to fall towards the car. So that's all the bolts out. I've actually closed the boot now, so we should just be able to take this off, in theory. So here we go. There we go. Pretty mucky under there, as you can imagine. So very similar to, well, actually, when we put the new spoiler on, we're going to have to transfer some of the brackets, so these kind of brackets here, over to the new one. And also we'll apply some silicone around these edges, you know, and around these kind of bolts before we fit the new one. So I'm just going to offer it up to the car, see what the fitment's like. Looks pretty good. Yeah, happy with that. So we'll just go through the process of getting all the bolts on. Like I said earlier, we're going to silicone seal all the way around the bolt holes, and then pretty much right around the edge of here, a bit of adhesive and sort of sealant, and then hopefully that should be us. So that's us, got everything silicone sealed up, everything's tightened up, bolted up together, and really happy with it. It's the look I was kind of going for. Like I said before, I had the Seeker for about 4 years, and I thought it was time for a change. And albeit it's not a genuine Mugen, it does the trick for me. So let's have a good look at some cinematics of the new wing on the car. So that's it for another one. Thanks for everybody who's stuck to the end of this one and watched it. Let me know what you think of the spoiler. We've probably not posted in about a month or so now. Been busy working on a couple of things, possibly a couple of little additions to the channel. Give you a little sneaky peek of some things we've been working on. Videos for them are going to be coming up real soon, just to give you an idea of what we've been busy doing. So if you want to see those videos, remember, hit that subscription button, hit that notification bell so you're notified when those videos come out. Thanks to everybody who's kind of messaged me back and forward asking how things were. Not maybe heard or seen any videos released recently, but yeah, those are coming real soon, and we're all good here. So thanks for sticking to this, and until the next time, catch you all later.
Life moves pretty fast.